This is the more powerful video I ever take. I know all over the world there is some people who are suffering, people who want to know what to do in life, but things paraît very difficult. People like me, people who are trying to fix a camera, see people made success on YouTube, success on TikTok or Instagram, Facebook, wanted also to make it because things not really smile at them. I don't know where you are watching me. I don't know what your worry all about. But the only thing I can tell you, yes, the possibility to make money online is real. So, are you ready to embrace it? If you really embrace this opportunity, you embrace the world, you embrace to change, you embrace to help. So, what next step to do? What is the next so that you may get there? First, focus on yourself. Read more, make more knowledge. eh? Read more book. Listen to people who get there already. Stop staying in the corner, worry about future, but work hard to get that future. Stop taking your phone, scrolling and scrolling and scrolling without no result. But passing your time, spending your time in building your wealth, your future, your tomorrow. I am going to journey with you in step by step how you can get there. If you want to hear more from me, if you appreciate what I am trying to do with you, together we will do it. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. God bless you. Wait for the second video. I am coming soon. God bless you. See you tomorrow.